I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and acting immediately. Get a smithing table and place your diamond gear on hand. While you move, mine for ancient debris in the nether at Y level 8 to 22. This yields netherite scrap after smelting. Once you have 4 netherite scrap and 4 gold ingots, combine them into 1 netherite ingot at a crafting grid. Make sure to keep at least 1 smithing table in your hotbar. You'll upgrade right away. You now perform the actual upgrade. Open the smithing table and put your diamond item in the top slot, then drop a netherite ingot into the lower slot. Immediately you'll see the netherite upgrade result. Because smithing preserves enchantments and names, you keep all improvements, which is why this method is preferred. Once done, retrieve the netherite item and test durability briefly. Make sure to have spare ingots if you plan multiple upgrades in one run to avoid wasting trips. Finish by securing your new netherite gear. Equip it, verify enchantments, and store extras safely. If something goes wrong, no upgrade option appears. Confirm the item is diamond tier and you're using a smithing table, not a crafting table. Only diamond items can convert. If piglin bartering or ancient debris yield is low, adjust mining depth to 822 and use branch mining for efficiency. One key tip: use mending on the item to avoid repeated material expenses. This saves ingots long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.